Here's a really big flake that I made sometime earlier. You can see the bubble percussion right here, and I was basically removing a great big ridge off of a big piece of stone. I want to thin this down somehow. There's still a strong ridge out here, so I'm going to wrap that flake in some putty. Okay, this angle is not quite right for striking down this ridge, so I'm going to fix that. I'm hoping this putty will make this rock act like a big blade core, or just a bigger rock, and this is just another ridge on the big rock. This platform is something like 70 degrees. This is a 2.5 inch bopper. I take off my glove when I'm putting my hand on silly putty. Alright, well, I got me an overshot flake. I'm left with a pretty nice straight piece here. It's not so bad curved. It's got a little curve to it, but I believe there's a nice 2.5 inch point left in there. So we got us a nice little blank out of that weird flake. So here's the flake I knocked off. All of that was the flake. That was the flake, and this was still part of the core. Still had the putty on it. Did you notice how it didn't turn loose of the putty? It stayed stuck. I had to peel this away from the putty. It was still sticking on it.